Alright guys, today we are going to be installing a Amazon purchase carburetor for a Kawasaki Prairie 300. Kawasaki wanted on the upscale of $200-300 for these carburetors, and we found it on Amazon for like 50 or 60 bucks. So I'm going to show you how to install it, and let's get into it. There's our machine right here, and for sake of speeding up the video, I've already loosened a lot of things, but essentially you want to take your seat off, and you're going to have a bolt here and a bolt here. Pretty much you want to take them out. And you're going to have to remove the gas cap to lift this up off of there like that. And then go ahead and put your cap back on. Now this you can kind of just pull, wiggle it, and it'll slide out. You're going to have this air cleaner hose here, which goes from the carburetor into your air box. So you're going to unloosen that clamp, and there's going to be another clamp right there. Unloosen those, and then you can just kind of pull this right out of there, just like that. Alright, so next we're going to disconnect this cable that runs into here. So this is a 7mm bolt. We're going to need to take that bolt off to remove this plastic cover here. Now this should just pull off of there, like that. And I would go ahead and put your screw back in there just so you don't lose that. Alright, so if you look on the top of your throttle cable here, you're going to have a little nut. We're going to want to take that off. You can see your throttle cable feeds down through here. If you were to push your throttle here, like that, you can see how that works there. And that's going to be a 10mm. Turn that loose just like that. So now what you can do is you want to just turn the wire. You'll see there's a little slit in the side of this where your throttle cable goes in. So just turn your cable around to that little slit. Turn it around. There you go. And that'll pop right out just like that. Now your intake here is a adapter here that goes into the head. It's held on by a clamp that you gotta loosen, and the screw is going to be on the very bottom. It's a Phillips head. Come around to the other side where the pull start is, right above it. And you look up in there. Right there, there's your screw. All right, now with that clamp loose, just kind of hold the intake boot here and push with your thumb, and you'll see that just pop right out of there like that. All right, now that that's out, we got a fuel line right here on the bottom with a little clip. I'm just gonna get some pliers, squeeze that clip, and pull that line off. All right, it's a little noisy here now, but now we got that bottom fuel line off. We're going to go to this cable up here. You're going to need 11mm to turn this plastic fitting here to the left and pull that cable out of there. Once you get it loose, you should be able to pull it straight out, just like that. Now our new carburetor has this harness already, you can see. And that's the harness coming off of here. That's where we got to disconnect it from, right there. Basically, you want to get a screwdriver, kind of stick it up under the front there and pry, just like that. Now you can pull that whole carburetor right out of there. Alright, so first thing we're going to put in is this choke cable back in. It's 12mm here. It's a little bit of a pain in the butt. You basically got to slide this black adapter that's on here forward so that you can turn this by hand, because if it's seated all the way down here, you can't really turn it to get it on there. So you got to push up on the spring so that you're able to turn this by hand to get it started. It's a little bit of a pain in the butt. There we go. Alright, that's back in there. We're going to go ahead and connect this wire first. That just clicks in, just like that. Alright, now we can do that fuel line. That just pushes on, like that. Now we can slide our carburetor back into the inlet there. just like that. And then we'll go ahead and tighten up that bolt for this clamp right here. Alright, so putting this throttle cable back on, stick your cable in the center there, and then push the cable forward to get it through that slit on the bottom. It's a little tricky. I might need both hands for this. But I want to stick the center in first and then push this around. There we go. Once it's in there, then just pull it back up like that. Then you can go ahead and put this piece back up here, but you might have to adjust a nut to get it in there a little bit. Back it up a little bit more. There we go. So go ahead and put your plastic cover back on here like I did. That has a little tab in here which helps keep this cable from sliding out. You can see the tab on this plastic cover. So if you go ahead and start this up without putting this on, chances are this cable is going to slide off of there. So make sure you put that on and hook up your air cleaner hose and go ahead and fire it up. And that's how you install the carburetor from Amazon. $50–60 I think it was. Just so you can see that it actually works, I'm going to go ahead and give it a pull now. Running on the Amazon carburetor. So definitely saved us a lot of money. So please guys, hit subscribe below, give me a like, and I'll see you next time.